Hello, I am Gokul Raj. I started my internship in January at Arth Technology and it's been about 1.5 months. I'm in PHP development section. I work over backend part of a website. I have made a lot of progress in static as well as dynamic web development, especially in PHP, HTML, and CSS. I am learning new concepts every day. Every week, they give me an assignment that tests my ability and helps me in improving my weak sections. They also let me work on new websites, creating web pages, finding content about them. We also had a discussion regarding customer services, which gave me an idea about how to interact with a customer and how to solve their problems. Working with other interns gave me an idea about actual job scenarios. We also have regular Google Meets to discuss our daily agenda and doubt resolutions. My work days are from Monday to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Due to COVID, they provided us with the opportunity to work from home. For me, it's been a great experience till now. I'm happy to do an internship here and hope to have a fulfilling experience. Thank you.